Okay, I'm going to do a quick video just showing you guys how to use the Cricut marker tool in your Cricut Explorer Air 2 or Cricut Maker. I'm going to be working with the Cricut Maker. So first we're going to go ahead and we're going to open this and open our marker and insert our marker into our Cricut machine. The Cricut Joy also draws. All right, and then we're just going to close it back. That is going into this A housing here. See with the A on it? You just kind of wiggle it down in there and shut it back up. And as you can see, it is down in there. There's no need to remove your other housing with your knife blade in it. But mine does need cleaned, so we'll do that in another video. Just ignore that for now. I'm using my purple mat because it's not my strong grip mat anymore. It is wore out. It's not that sticky. So I'm going to place my note card, what I'm going to be drawing on, up in this corner. Open a new project on Design Space and enter a text, what you want your Cricut machine to write for you. I'm just going to do a simple hello. Once I have it typed out, I'm going to go and make sure that it's on pen and not cut because I want to write with my marker or pen. Once I've checked that, I'm going to adjust my size. I'm just going to do 3 inches on this card just to show you guys a quick video. And once you're ready, you can click Make It and make sure it says pen at the top and connect to your machine. Once you're connected to your machine, you'll be able to select your material. I'm just going to select medium cardstock. And we're going to load the mat. Once you've selected your material and loaded your mat, your Cricut will tell you when it's ready, and then you can just push start by clicking that button. And then you can watch it draw for you. And it'll tell you when it's done on your device where you're doing your Design Space and your machine. And it'll tell you to unload it. And there you can see my Cricut Maker drew for me. Or wrote. Whatever you want to say. You can draw pictures, you can do all kinds of things with it, but I just wanted to show you a quick little video on how to basically set it up. It's really simple, honestly. You can just make sure you put it on pen on your settings in Design Space. That's what matters. Anyways, I hope this video is helpful. If you want to see more videos from me, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.